Hello, Professor Gavin, and this is the new installment in the Dev Diary. This is going to quickly go over the presentation we have prepared for our class. One more thing, we have one more slide to add, and that slide is what we want to work on um, post this presentation. Um, we will get this done as soon as we finish this demo, and based on this demo, we will realistically make an assumption of or an assertion of where we should be by the end of this semester and where we would like to be. Okay, so this presentation, this basically will just sell our vision for this game. Um, it will explain the game. It will explain the concept of the game, and that's about it. We know what we are going to say, so this is just to help us, this is just a good visual aid, and just to help us talk during our presentation. LeBron Games is the name of our game, the name of our team, sorry, and these are like two fighting silhouettes just to kind of hint at what we are doing. Passport to Pain is denied. Think about 2D fighting games. Think about how fun they can be. Imagine how fun they'd be with a humorous twist to the game, and this is our game. Basically, the way we plan to say it in the presentation is we will actually put emotion into it. We'll say like, think about 2D fighting games. Think about how fun they'd be. Um, that's kind of the vision I had for creating this presentation. About PTPVD, which is Passport to Pain Visa Denied. It's a game that'll be a lot of fun. 2D fighting game with a twist. We'll explain that twist right there. Each character represents a different country. We will explain why, what we mean by that, how it's done in certain cases. Of course, my teammates will jump in, like the artist has done an amazing job. He will say basically why he created this character and why he looks like that, and we will show examples. But these are just the main slides for the game, for the presentation. Sorry. Character designs are based on the culture of the character's respective country. Again, we will explain. From the art to the gameplay, all will gel to create an unforgettable experience. This will be shown in our demo. Gameplay. This will just quickly run through the gameplay, or quickly explain what we want to do with our game. Unique techniques and moves for each character, different fighting styles for each character, characters that will behave differently depending on special abilities for the character. If certain characters meet up, they will have weaknesses against other certain characters, which will be a very fun experience for the user. And this slide right here just explains our vision. So the main vision we have for this game, as explained in the pitch document, is we wanted to mimic the cultural shock experience. But we have to choose a vessel which makes it fun because, as explained in the pitch document as well, what is a game? A game has to be fun. It has to help the user pass time and enjoy himself. That's why we need to pick the correct vessel for it to be fun. So we chose the vessel of fighting, specifically 2D fighting, because it's the holy grail of our imagination when it comes to any kind of clash. Culturally, the cultural shock experience is mostly a clash of cultures, and it happens internally. It doesn't happen. You don't say it. It's not even offensive or anything. It's just natural. So, but when it happens, our mind immediately just goes, "Oh, clash," and it's just a fun way of describing it. That's it. Each character has different and unique design. Again, the designs is where this game shines. So even if it is a bit repetitive, that's where the main idea, main selling point for this game is, because otherwise it's just a 2D fighting game with mechanics. That's it. But this is the main funny aspect of the game. Every character is crafted carefully, and so each character should feel different. We envision the user just having fun, passing time, and having a good time. Again, that's the whole point of any game in general, just to help the user escape their own world and immerse them in a new dynamic world. Now, for the final slide, which is what we hope to achieve, it'll basically be in very quick one sentence. I'll explain what we have to add to the slide. This is our vision, and our game will obviously not look as good as we want it to be because we only have 12 weeks. It's our first time creating a game, but we hope to get as close as possible to our vision, and that's basically what we'll add in the final slide, but in detail. Thank you very much.